Alright, this is Wauchula KFC. We are 65 feet from the Cleanout in the drive-thru. I'm going to try to get you the best picture I can with the people in there running the water. Well, the camera's a little blurry, but what we're looking for is those big monster chunks of grease like we had like we pulled out of the grease trap. Any small little pieces are going to be okay. I just want to make sure we got the jetter all the way through here and chopped up all those big monster grease logs that were causing the backup. So far it looks a whole heck of a lot better than it did. We had a ton of buildup before on the sides. All that buildup's gone. You can actually see the walls of the pipe now. So we're getting closer to where that combo is coming out of the grease trap. That's why you're seeing an increase in the flow in water. As long as we can see the pipe, we know it's clear, we're good. There's our combo. So this is just outside of the Cleanout, right in here. I'm going to work on this a little bit more. I mean, it's literally, there's my jetter hose, it's right here. I'll show you. This is just running the jetter from this Cleanout. We've got some debris right here. But see, I'm pulling up right here. You wipe the camera off. That's the Cleanout where we went in. It looks like there's an AC drain or something kind of punched into the side of it. So I'm going to go in where the remodel is and see if we can do a flush from that side to flush this line out real good. So that was from the Cleanout out to the city main is now all nice and clean.